Good morning, my dear students. In this particular video presentation, we'll continue with the remaining problem from exercise 7.6 from the NCERT textbook. The third problem in that exercise goes like this. It is evaluate integral x square e power x dx. Actually, these problems are applications of integration by parts. If I am going to group x square dx, it will become d of x cube by 3. Derivative of x cube by 3 is nothing but x square dx. Now power gets increased. Therefore, there is no point in grouping that. Therefore, what I'll do is I'll just group e power x dx. I'll put a bracket over here. And I will write this as x square d of e power x. If you want, you can write the reason since d by dx of e power x is nothing but e power x. Therefore, cross multiply dx. I will get e power x dx as d of e power x. Now apply the formula of integration by parts. I'll get x square e power x minus integral e power x into d of x square. Let me write the reason over here. Since integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Here, in fact, here I have my u as x square and my v is nothing but e power x. Now I mean to say automatically here this will become x square e power x. Sorry, 2 is not written properly. Then I will have minus integral e power x into 2x dx. Remember carefully, derivative x square is 2x. Therefore, I mean to say this will be is equal to x square e power x minus, take this 2 out, and x into e power x dx. I am grouping e power x dx together. This can be anyway written as x square e power x minus twice of integral x d of e power x. The reason is already written earlier. D of e power x is e power x dx anyway, you know very well. Let me just continue here. I mean to say this will be is equal to x square e power x minus, now apply integration by parts again. This will be 2x e power x minus into minus will become plus 2 integral e power x dx. It will be e power x dx. Integral e power x dx. Here, I'll just recall the formula. My u happens to be, I'm not going to write the formula. What is my u? What is my v? I'll write. U is x and v is nothing but e power x. Therefore, simplification of which will automatically give you x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x plus c will be the final answer. X square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x will be the final answer. You can take e power x as common and write it will be e power x into x square minus 2x plus 2 plus c will be the final answer. Let me repeat the whole process. X square e power, I am underlining wherever necessary, is easier for you to follow. This is the one to be found out. I am underlining. I am writing e power x dx as d of e power x. Apply integration by parts. This becomes x square e power x minus integral e power x d of x square. This is my u, this is my v, this is my u, this is my v, this is my v here. I have written anyway here in brackets I have written. Now this will become x square e power x. This 2 is not proper. Just see here x square e power x. Okay, minus integral e power x. You mean to say d of x square is 2x dx. Again group e power x dx here. I need to apply integration by parts for the second time. This will get reduced to x square e power x. Let me just underline x square e power x minus 2x e power x minus into minus plus 2 integral e power dx. I am not going to write the formula. What my u is, what my v is, I am writing. U is x, v is e power x. This is my u. See here, this is my u and this is my v automatically. Now this will get reduced to automatically x square e power x minus 2x e power x plus 2 e power x dx. You can very well write the final answer as taking e power x as common into x square minus 2x. Let me put a line over here. Plus 2 plus c. That will be the final answer. That will be the final answer. It is not at all difficult to follow anyway. It is not at all difficult to follow. Just see here. I'll have the next question. Fourth question goes like this. He says integral x log x dx. That is the question given to you. Now let me group x dx. Let me group x dx anyway. Or yeah, that it's not a difficult task, doesn't matter. Here I mean to say this will become integral log x into d of x square by 2. You can very well write the reason if you want. Since d by dx of x square by 2 will be, this is x square, this is power 2. X square by 2 will be is equal to simply x cross multiply dx. Now let me apply the formula. This will become x square by 2 log x minus half into integral x square d of log x. Let me write the reason over here. Since integral u dv is equal to uv minus integral v du. Here instead of u I have log x. Instead of v I have x square by 2. Just recall. This is the one to be recalled. Accordingly write the values in the place of u and v. Therefore it will automatically get reduced to x square by 2 into log x minus half into x square into 1 by x dx. Derivative of log x is 1 by x. This will get reduced to x square by 2 log x minus half integral x dx. 1x gets cancelled. Therefore this will get reduced to x square by 2 log x minus x square by 2 into 2 becomes plus 4. That will be the final answer. X square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 will be the final answer. Let me repeat the whole process. Integral, I am just underlining wherever necessary. X log x dx is the one to be found out. I am underlining. I am grouping x dx. It can be written as d of x square by 2. Because d of x square by 2 is 2x by 2 becomes simply x. Therefore x dx cross multiply dx over here. Now instead of u I have log x. Instead of v I have x square by 2 here. Instead of v I have x square by 2. Now log x into x square by 2, I am writing it x square by 2 at the beginning because by mistake I should not write it as log x cube by 2. That's why I am writing x square by 2 at the beginning. uv as well as vu both are same. Therefore, x square by 2 log x minus half into integral minus half into integral x square into df log x. I am just underlining. Okay. Now write the reason over here. What is my u? What is my v? Write the formula of integration by parts, which is written over here anyway. Now I mean to say x square by 2 log x minus half into, here you mean to say integral x square into 1 by x dx. Derivative log x is 1 by x. Where x square by 2 log x minus half into integral x dx. 1x gets cancelled over here. 1x gets cancelled. Therefore, I mean to say x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. Already 1 2 is there in the denominator. Therefore, it becomes x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. That is the final answer. It is not at all difficult for you to follow. Okay, and share it with your friends, and you can advise them to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button and bell icon. Subscription has no charges. Thank you, students, for patient watching.